Guys, welcome to my vlog. I'm going out. Do you want to join me? I'm alone, unknown, okay? And I need to go outside and do something so I can see, I hope, nice view, okay? You know what I mean, nice view with nice eyes, like smile, like lemon, apple, lemon, kalamansi. Mas maganda yung kalamansi pala, guys, no? Kalamansi, lemon, lemon, monmon. Ayun nga yun, guys. Mas maganda yung kalamansi. Natural. Asim, kalamansi. Kalamansi. O, di ba? The real smile of Pilipina. O siya, guys, ako'y aalis na at ano ko lang. Pinagbubula-bulati ko lang kayo, ha, kasi alam mo naman, pupunta ako na labas, guys, ba? Doon ko malalaman, guys, kung ano yung reaction ng mga bukaw. Kasi yung mata ko, guys, kapag nabukaw din na ganyan bukaw ba. Ayun, guys, have a nice day sa inyong lahat. At thank you sa aking mga subscribers. Thank you for staying to my YouTube channels. Love you all. Okay, God bless you and see you, Pandanhanon. Mabuhay! I'm here sa country kung saan I'm not belong daw. Honest, I'm not belong nga dito, guys, kasi alam mo naman, I hate killers person, okay? Ayun lang, guys. Bye!